Yo, what's up, guys? So you guys see that this is a little bit of a different video that I'll be putting out today. Well, probably out tomorrow. This is when I was trading on the 8th, so last Friday. Today's the 12th. No trades has been taken today. Or I don't think any trades has been taken since the 8th, so like last Friday or whatever. Um, so I just wanted to talk about it. Like, I did trade a little bit at work. And I just wanted to go over a little bit. For some reason, I don't understand why what's it called? Why the execution trades are not popping up. Like executions, execution labels, like I think that should all be right to be showing up, but I guess not. Um, it is what it is. It is what it is. But I remember a couple of spots where I kind of bought in at, because I know like I drew these channels out. I've been doing a good bit of research. I've been for sure trying to get an actual like risk management position going in, because as you guys see in my previous other videos, right, that obviously I was just playing around. I wasn't taking it seriously, clearly. um but so I've been doing a lot of that, so I understand like my like risk management based off my account size and so like that. Yeah, and also seeing like some other potential ideas slash setups that I can be trying to hopefully be taking in the future. So yeah, I like these little channels that we have like drawn on here. Very nice. Made this from like off of this, what's it called, this red wig, if I'm not mistaken. I do need to kind of revise this for sure, because I haven't really like looked at the charts for a while, so I do need to revise this. But I think I made this the supply, or my bad, this the demand zone down here, based off of this red candle. Just kind of just push it out a little bit more, but that's basically what this is based off of. Unfortunately, it never hit, because like obviously, or not obviously, but in my mind, if I see it come back down here, I'm taking a buy, but waiting for like a candle to close in here, and then like maybe like come about right here, and then hopefully shoot to the upside, and then probably buy in on that wave. But so yeah, I drew out this box to hopefully, hopefully it will come back down here so I can get a decent buy opportunity. But that never happened until like way later over here. But even then, like I don't know, you guys see this right here, but like I wasn't trading. No, I don't think I was trading this part right here. I don't think I was trading that part at all. Um, but so yeah. But let me pull up the my stats off of Tradevate though, real quick. All right, so unfortunately, took a $43.75 loss on that day. However, I did recoup some of those losses, and I did make $32.50 on the entire day. I lost $11.25 that day. So I saw some setups, like some of the things that I did buy into. It did work in my favor. However, I just got in a little too early and got stopped out, and then I typically don't get back into the same trade that I literally just took, even though I still do believe in the trade, even though I probably should like hop back into it, but I need to be like, I need to build up that confidence. I'm not gonna lie, I need to build up that confidence of like re-entering a trade that I was not necessarily wrong per se, but just too early on. Because like I mean, I feel like if it does go my way a little bit after I got stopped out, then I wasn't necessarily wrong. I just was a little too early, right? Because obviously I don't want to risk too much money um based off my account size, but like I obviously want enough room for it to, wait for the trade to work out. um so that's kind of what happened, like I think like two times. One time for sure, I'm not gonna lie, one time for sure. I would love to, like I said, have those execution like little, I think your triangle, or not triangles, but like little um arrows pointing to like where I like buy, sell, all that good stuff, but it's not showing, which is very unfortunate. But it just is what it is. But I know for sure, off of one trade that I did take, it went in my favor. It just was just a little too early, unfortunately. But with that being said, risk management now though. So let me talk a little bit more about that. So I'm thinking of just trading solely the MES, but like looking at the MNQs for like Confluence, I guess. How I was doing previously when I was kind of trading MNQ, looking at MES to kind of see like what's going on. So I think I'm gonna be flipping it around. I'm gonna be trading MES a little bit more now. It does move a lot slower, as you guys do see and you guys do know. I just think that like it might be a little bit better, so I can like see the price action actually happen like a little bit slower, right? Um, it's, I'm not gonna lie, it's not as fun as MNQ, but but I am still in a learning phase. I literally just started what, like 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, something like that. So I'm in a big learning phase right now, and like I know, so with some of my trades I've taken previously, and some of the trades I will take later on, I know it's not gonna be the best, and I know I'm gonna be deviating away from some of my, what's it called, my strategies. But that's just it's the way of life, and I can come to terms with it right now, and like I know it's gonna happen, but right, as long as I can manage my losses, and that's all that matters really. If I can just manage my losses, that's all that matters, because it's human nature. Like we're all gonna deviate, away from our strategies. It's gonna happen. It's inevitable. But how much am I going to be losing off of those trades that that deviate from? But so yeah, risk management right now. So I'm thinking about taking take profit 10 ticks, stop loss 5 ticks, right? I would like this to be a little bit higher, but my account size not being the biggest so far, this is what it is right now. I think I might be doing 2 contracts actually now. Since my account is basically at the $1,000 mark, it was there, and then I blew it a little bit. So I think I'll be doing 2 contracts right now, or I don't know. I'm still going back and forth with this right now. So basically, I was thinking on like 1 contract. If I went with the 1 contract, then in my mind, I believe that I can technically lose 2 trades right after that. Technically, minus commissions. Like let's say there's like no commissions, I can technically lose 2 trades after that, be break even, because I'm risking I'm risking $6.25 to make $12.50, right? So I'm doubling. So 2 trades after the first trade that I win, then that's just that, and then I'm or break even really. So I was thinking about just take 1 trade, I win, I then scale up to 2, right? Then because then if I lose the next trade of the 2 cons, then I'm basically back at break even minus the commissions. So I was thinking about like going that route. That seems like the best idea. I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, we're human. We do deviate from our ideas and plans and whatnot. So I think I just might go with the 2 cons. 3 cons, that's I know I should not be doing that, but like if I am being very confident and I'm seeing like a lot of setups to happen, and like I'm just very confident, then I'm gonna take the 3. I'm gonna take the 3. But to be honest, I really have no interest of trading 3 cons at the moment. I want to risk only 2% of my entire account size, which is like that's like $20. So like when I can take about like 3-4 trades with 1 contract, 2 contracts, and still lose, then I can do like 2 to 3 trades. So I mean, yeah, that's just what's been going on really. Really not too much. There will be some trading tomorrow for sure though. But yeah, not really so much. Just trying to understand my risk management and just do better so I can have like more of a longevity in these markets. Because obviously first couple videos, I'm beginner's luck, bro. It's just what it is, beginner's luck. I'm happy I was able to double my account, and now, like I said, I feel a little bit more confident with going with 2 contracts rather than just with 1. But yeah, I'm acknowledging it as soon as possible that what I did in the beginning was beginner's luck, and trying to nip that in the butt and start to like actually implement better trading habits. But like I said, we all deviate, so a homie is gonna fail here and there with my trading strategy, but at least I have a more of an understanding. I have a better I guess like position wise about my strategy now. Like previously I didn't have the best. Now like I'm developing it a little bit more and more and more as I am becoming like more of a day trader. I want this to happen. It's gonna work for me. I just need time and obviously more capital. I do plan on putting a little bit more money into the account. Not maybe by end of this month. I'm not too sure. We'll see. I do want to add a little bit more money into my account, but I obviously want to play with all my profits. That's what I want to do, is play with my profits and not use any of my actual money that I've worked hard for, like in real life. I mean, even this money on here is like I've worked hard for, I'd say personally too. But like I'm talking about like the physical like aspect of like that kind of money. But I will be adding a little bit more money so I can have more of a cushion, more cons I can go in, but only when I feel comfortable, obviously, because I don't want to blow my account. That's not gonna be fun. And then eventually I would love to get into maybe what's it called, a funded trading, like get into funded trading. That might be the move eventually, but we'll for sure look more into that. I don't know too much about that, I'm not gonna lie, but with more days of me day trading, understanding the markets, and then with me also doing more research outside of me day trading, I will then figure it out and then go based off of that, and obviously look for look for those helpful comments and helpful YouTube videos. But that is all of a recap. For my last other trading day, I wasn't able to record because I said I traded at work, so I really can't record at work. But yeah, I just wanted to, like I said, being as transparent as possible. Unfortunately, I can't show y'all exactly where because I have no idea exactly where. I was assuming that it would show me, but I guess not. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video though. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to subscribe and also a thumbs up. That'd be greatly appreciated. But until the next video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. You know what? Take it easy now.